smoking. National Smoking Day is celebrated every second Wednesday of March, and this year being on 9 March 2022. Theme of this year was Smoking Day is quiet. Smoking does not have to be stressful. Mainly celebrated in the United Kingdom, inspired by the tobacco day. In India, highest use of e-tobacco product is seen in Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram, 58%. Each and lowest in Himachal Pradesh, 1.1%. Now what it is cigarette smoker quiet smoking, first of all, in first 8 hours, oxygen level returns to normal. In 24 hours, risk of heart attack begins to decrease. In 72 hours, lung function improves, and in around 9 months, coughing and shortness of breath decreases. Thank you for watching.
Now Zahid is invited to come on the dance.